Hi, this is the continuation of previous video where I was discussing about voice to skull. I'm going to tell you some tricks as to how we can tackle this, the things that we can do to make our lives normal. So I was at a point where I was telling you about what was happening with me. I had gone through some medical treatment, and I had time to think as to what was really happening. So when I started thinking about it, I then started making some notes as to what was really going on, what kind of things that these guys are saying. So I found out there are only few words that these people continuously say, and these words are actually to provoke you as to they want you to actually talk to them in your mind, and they want once they provoke you, they make you really mad. I mean, they want you to be very mad, and you will also get to hear same voice repeated over and over. Now there are some logics that I used later on. I found that there was voices of males or females, and they were talking to me 24 by 7. Now how is it possible for a person to actually sit and talk with you 24 by 7? Even if they enjoyed it, let's say if they enjoyed it a lot, it's not practically possible for a person to sit 24 by 7, for a male or a female to actually continuously sit and continuously say things to you. So I draw a conclusion to it that these things that are being said to you are actually recorded. So they would only say it when you actually hear them, when you say something in your mind, or if you're doing something. So they will try to interrupt you. If you're thinking about something, if you're making some plans, they'll always try to interrupt you. So don't get interrupted. You would have to actually come back, focus to what you were thinking about. And apart from that, there is one more thing. I mean, as I've told you, that these people are capable of morphing people's voice. So when they're morphing people's voice, they can even morph your voice. So when you're talking in your head, it means that they can talk in the same way, as if they are your own thoughts. So it might sound a bit scary, but that it is. I mean, because people are saying that they can do mind control and stuff like that. So when they say about mind control, it means that they are actually morphing your own voice, make you feel that as if these are your thoughts. So whenever you are hearing your own thoughts, make sure that whatever your thoughts are saying, if they are valid, if they are the right thing to do, and then only do that. Give it a thought before doing anything. And there would be point when they will startle you. I mean, they will try and make you angry, and they'll try and get you into situations. So always think about what you're going to do, and then only act on those things. Don't get started by anything that you find which is irritating and stuff. There are times when there are things which are irritating. Those are normal things, but you need to find out if this thing is really normal, and if you're acting out of a normal way. Now when I was tackling with my family members, I found out that the more that I told them, the more the trust that was there in between us was getting lost, and I was getting into more treatments and stuff. So first of all, don't tell any of your family members that you are facing such a problem. You're facing a problem where you are hearing voices and stuff. The more you tell them, they are going to go away from you, because for them this is something which is not normal. They've not heard about it, and they will not understand it unless and until they've experienced it. Talk to a person who has actually faced what is voice to skull, and those people who have never experienced it. You will always find a difference, and they are going to look at you as if you're a lunatic. So the first thing you need to do is stop telling your family members that you're facing this problem. I have done the same thing. I've stopped telling them. I've told them that I don't hear anything. Everything is normal after the treatment, and my life started coming back on track after that. My family members who are actually going away from me, who are actually feeling that I'm nothing, and there is no future for me, and all of them, they started coming back to me. So the first thing you need to do is stop telling your family members that things like these are happening with you. So, and just act normal, even though whatever these people are telling you, no matter how much they're abusing you, stop telling them, because that is not going to help, only make things worse. So once you've done that, things will start falling in place. And later on, there is one more thing. I mean, what happens is when you are into the center of this, most of the people I've heard, those people who are targeted individuals, they've lost their jobs, they've lost their lives. They whatever they see, whatever they do, they think as if everything is being set up. So the first thing is that everything is not set up. we are assuming a lot of things. So try and get a job. Now initially I didn't had a job for at least a year's time, but later on I started doing some basic job, even though I was not able to get into the career that I had chosen for and the job that I was working in before. But I started working, because if you sit idle, these people are going to take you for a ride, and that ride is going to be really bad. So instead of doing that, just try and focus on something. Get do any job that you get, focus on that job. No matter how much they try and torture you, no matter how much they try and talk to you, don't listen to it. Just listen as if you're listening to a radio channel, and keep doing your job. And no matter what happens, don't tell your colleagues about it, because once you tell your colleagues about this, it is going to create a really bad experience. So Oh, that is my experience. I have learned out of my experience that you should not tell any of your family members or colleagues about this, and things will get even simpler for you. Find a basic job, try and do that job. If you're able to cope up with that job, do that job properly, you can find a job which you had thought you wanted to make a career into. But that part comes later. First, you have to try and do a job which is very simple, and you can do it. I mean, once you start doing that job, things will become even simpler for you. So this will bring your life even to a normal level. Now, when you are doing a job, you would then complain that I don't get to sleep well. These people don't allow me to sleep properly. So that is also one problem that I had encountered, and I had also went through this. So now let me ask you a thing: that how much does a human body need sleep? There are people, or there are great people in this world who have managed to sleep only for 4 hours, and still they've managed to do great things. I mean, they've done so many great things. There are so many people who have been sleeping only to 4 to 5 hours. So sleep is just a mental thing. I mean, how much sleep you really need. So when you sleep, and even if you are getting dreams and stuff, it doesn't mean that your body is not resting. Your body is definitely going to rest. And there is another thing: when you're really exhausted, it doesn't matter what happens, you are going to sleep. There are people who actually, in India, there are people who actually sleep on railway platforms. Now imagine sleeping on a railway platform. There is so much crowd, there is so much talking going on, so many things going around. There is this train passing, and you are hearing the sound, but if you're exhausted, it is not going to make any difference. You are still going to sleep properly. So get that thing out of your head that you're not getting proper sleep. When you just decide a time of sleeping, and sleep at least for 5 to 6 hours, that is more than enough. And the lesser you sleep, the better sleep is quality you'd have. And do not worry about the dreams, because dreams are very normal. So that is about sleep. I'm also going to talk about few more things in the next video. Stay tuned to this channel.